Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door switch in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers and a homemade holding strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door switch. The dryer door switch is mounted on the front cabinet panel just above the door. The door switch cuts the power to the drive motor, not allowing the dryer to run with the door open. If the dryer won't start, first make sure that the circuit breakers are on and the door is closed properly, and check the door switch and replace it if needed. Open the lint screen door and pull out the lint screen. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 2 screws out from under the lint door. Make sure they're not going to go inside the lint chute. Use some kind of a homemade device to support the top when it's open. In my case, I'm going to tape it to the surface because there's no hole on the top. Press your knee against the front panel, grab the top panel with both hands by its sides, and pull it forward to unlock from the plastic clips. Hook up the strap. Then open the dryer door and using the Phillips screwdriver, take 2 mounting screws out at the top of the door jamb. Using the flathead screwdriver, open the tabs and disconnect the wire plug. This is the old door switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wire plug and insert the lever into the cutout. Match the holes and secure the switch to the cabinet with 2 Phillips screws. Close the door. Alright, now we can remove the holding strap and close the top. Push it down till it locks. Then I'm going to remove that duct tape. Secure the top to the lint chute with 2 Phillips screws. Insert the lint screen in and close the lint door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.